This property is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. This property is listed for $759,000. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a recreation or bonus room, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a finished basement, a whirlpool tub, built-in bookshelves, a heat pump, crown molding, a family room, a library, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, an invisible fence, a porch, and a deck. The approximate square footage is 4,052 square feet.